Spin City Academy day one, take one. Nah, it's your boy Spin City Drew, man. We hit day one, Spin City Academy at Eagle Academy, yo. Spin City Academy at Eagle Academy. It's up from here, man. I'm going to sit there and do my first summer school ever. It's my first time teaching, so we're going to sit there and see how it goes, man. Let's go. So, SpinCity Academy started with an idea that my homegirl gave me, and it kind of just sparked from a conversation we was having. So, you know, she was talking about pricing for barbering. What's good, buddy? He was talking about pricing for barbers to come through and cut kids' hair at school. So, you know, we're going back and forth, whatever. So I was just like, I could see myself doing that. Like, how can I go about it? So, you know, we going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth till we actually, you know what I'm saying? She figured out, she told me exactly what to do. I was like, yo, instead of me just going to cut the kids' hair, because that's how it started as, I'm like, let me just double down and teach kids how to cut hair. So with me teaching kids how to cut hair, it's like, it's an outlet. A lot of times, especially like the times we live in right now, it's like it's a lot harder for people to get going. Some people go to college and don't even get the job in the field they went to college for. So I was like, let me just find a way to help kids to make a couple of dollars and just boost their confidence so they don't gotta do stuff. I seen a lot of my friends, like they got arrested or they just was back on their luck because they was either scamming or they was stealing or they was just doing X, Y, and Z. And I'm like, yo, barbering was an outlet for me. Like, while they were going on trips and they was scamming and they was doing X, Y, and Z, I was in a barbershop. Well, I was in barber school, so I'm trying to learn a trade that I could bring with me anywhere. So now, whether I'm in New York or Jersey or Florida or overseas, as long as I have my clippers, I have the ability to make money. So that's like the real reason right there, man. And SpinCity love the kids, man. I work for the school system for like 10 years. I just always love uplifting kids, and I always tell people I teach real life, one-on-one in the hallway. And a lot of kids who I had graduates told me that they learned more from me than they learned from a lot of their teachers in school. So let me just try to make a difference and then, you know, attack the system from the inside. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Spin City Academy. My name is Drew, aka Spin City Drew. I'll be your instructor for, I guess, the rest of the summer. What I want y'all to do right now is I want y'all to write down, what grade are y'all in, give or take? 6? All right, so average person, y'all all basically middle school in here, all right? So we all gonna act like it, cool? If I'm talking, just give me your attention, just like when y'all talking, I'll give y'all my attention, that's true? All right, so what I want y'all to do now is write down your goals for next year. Write down anything, like, you wanna make the basketball team next year, you wanna get better grades than you got last year, you wanna, just keep writing. Whatever you wanna do between now and next year, bro, write it down.
My goals for next year is to get valedictorian, get better at football, get stronger, and to be an instant football.
What's better at football?
Better like in general, like skill.
Like what?
Catching,
What position you play?
wide receiver.
Did you just play wide receiver?
Oh, my name is Cash.
Cash? Got it.
First goal is to maintain a 90+ average in all of my classes. And my second goal is to average more than 10 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, and A or school basketball.
You on the team already? What position you play? Huh? Write that down.
What my goals are for next year is that I want to be on the basketball team and stop fighting.
You want to be on the basketball team? What position you want to play? Write that down. What are you fighting for? I'm asking to ask. I don't know. I'm asking.
Because when people talk about my grandmother,
Talk about your what? Do they know your grandmother? So why does it matter? I bet you heard that a lot, right? Do they know your grandmother? Do they know your grandmother? Not do you know your grandmother. The people that's talking about your grandmother, do they know your grandmother? So why do you care? You say you gonna do what? How you gonna do this? You gonna say? You say better on basketball, right? How you gonna do that?
but it worked this summer.
Write it down. I'm gonna practice every day. I'm gonna put up 1,000 jump shots every day. I'm gonna run suicides every day. Write that down. I'm telling you what to write down. All right. The reason why I told y'all to do that and write down your goals and be specific as possible is because when someone sits in your chair, they're gonna tell you, and y'all gotta be, I need y'all to be as precise about what y'all want as far as what y'all gonna give to somebody else. You can't just give someone the haircut that you wanna give them. Unless they say like, oh, yo, Cash, do me a favor, yo, you my barber, right? What kind of haircut looks good on me? Then you'll say, oh, get it. You good? Nah, you good. Get a tape up, yo, bro. You don't really need it. You don't really need a haircut today. You can get a shape up, whatever. But y'all gotta be able to see it before y'all actually do it. That's why I keep telling y'all, yo, write down what y'all goals is. Write down where y'all want to be. Write down where y'all want to go. Write down where y'all, like, I want y'all to be as specific as possible with yourself. So then when y'all actually have the clippers in y'all hand, y'all cutting someone's hair, I want y'all to have the same level or the same respect for the other person like you do for yourself. How much money you want to make when you get older? You know how much you want, right? You gotta have the same respect for someone else coming to sit in your chair, right? What time is it? Who wants to shape up today? No? Do you want one? You don't gotta get. Alright, never mind. Who want to shape up? I only got time for a shape up today. Nah, dog. I asked you a question. Do you want to shape up or not? Alright. Bring your chair and come to the middle of the floor. I'm gonna keep it light today. I ain't gonna do too much, all right? Y'all ready or y'all still talking? Which one is it? Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Yes. All right. We're going through the basics right now, right? Y'all know what this is called? What's it called? What kind of cape is it? A barber cape. All right? I know trust me, I know it's gonna be slow, but as we start going, y'all start getting the basics, it's gonna move faster, all right? When y'all take the cape, right, I'm gonna let y'all practice. The next time, like I said, today's the first day, I wanna keep it light. What I want y'all to do is take the cape and drape it over the person like this. I know y'all go to the barber shop all the time, right? And y'all see the guy go like this, right? How many times y'all seen that, right? All right. When in school, they teach you you're not supposed to do that. Like if you were taking your state board exam, you failed just by doing that. They're gonna tell you as soon as you over here pop the cape over the person like this, they're gonna tell you pack your stuff up and go. This is a necktie, all right? Lift the neck up for me, Cash. This is how you apply it. Have the customer lift their head up, tie it, and you tuck it so it stays in one place. When you put the barber cape over someone, you don't really want it to touch the person's neck because it touches a lot of your customers. You just want to be as sanitary as possible. I go to Cash, I drape him like this. How you doing, Cash? How was your day today?
That was good.
What you do?
I went to leadership.
How was leadership?
It was good.
All right, bet. What kind of haircut you getting today, sir?
Just want to shape up.
Just want to shape up? All right, bet. Everybody know what this is, right? All right. Obviously, it's a comb. So what you're gonna do is, you know what this is? No, it's close. This is called disinfectant. What you want to do is spray it every time on your tools and your clippers. I do it before and after every cut, just so when I get to the next one, just in case I forget, I already know I sprayed it. And I try to make sure that I don't want to pass on no diseases. I don't want to give Cash a ringworm. I don't want to give Cash no type of rash or anything like that. And then now he's going around telling the whole hood that I gave him a bum bump on the back of his neck or something like that. You know what these are? All right. This is clippers, but you know what kind of clippers these are? They're called trimmers. You know what trimmers do? They shape the hair up to put the lines on it. So what I'm gonna do is, y'all can come closer if y'all want. Y'all don't really gotta sit there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give Cash a shape up, and I'm gonna walk y'all through it step by step. So if y'all can't see, y'all can come a little closer. Or what y'all can do is put the chair in front of the desk so y'all can just see me a little closer. So I'm lining Cash up. I'm gonna start from towards the back. Cash already got a shape, so I'm just gonna follow the line as is. Like I said, if y'all wanna look. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this. I'm not gonna dig into it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag the hair down. Because what happens is when you drag the hair down, it's gonna be like basically stretch the hair out to as long as it can go, and you're gonna cut it off from there. You don't really want to eat into this haircut because now instead of his line being right here, it's gonna be all the way up here. And when I tell myself instead of it being right here, it's gonna be like up here. What you want to do is start lower because I always tell people you can always cut more hair off. You can't put the hair back on. do the same thing this time. I'm gonna just stretch the hair out all the way. I'm just gonna follow a line that he has naturally right there, okay? Y'all got it? Y'all see the points right here? I'll make basically it's called a street point. So basically I'm gonna start from right here and then make the letter C. But I'm not gonna cut into it because I wanna keep this hair looking as natural as possible and I don't wanna push this in. What time is it? We got 15 minutes left. So with the hairline, you want to start from the middle and then work your way over. When you start from the middle, you can see, just in case it went to another barber or they went someplace else, if the other barber was like push their line back, or you see their hair, like I see his hair is growing back in more on one side than the other. So what I try to do is get the hair to match up so it's one color, so when I line it up, it just stays, it's like a consistent line all the way across. Line your mustache up. I ain't got no mustache. And that's today's lesson. One shape up. Y'all got any questions? I know it's kind of boring right now. Trust me. When we get the mannequins in, then we can sit there and really get busy. But I just want to go over the basic with y'all so I could pair y'all up and have y'all cut the mannequin, and I can just walk around and have y'all just sit there and just have fun with it, so we can make it as easy as possible. So, you know, that was my first class of the summer, man. I ain't gonna lie, this summer is gonna be immaculate, bro. We got the free haircuts in the city. We got the SpinCity Academy going up. We got the wave content coming up. Like, it's just about your whole stack on spin, man. All right, so listen, it's your boy SpinCityDREW, man. I'm out of here, about to go to the bar, so like I always do, yo, son. Spin the block on us next time, yo. Like, comment, subscribe, yo. Holla at us next time, yo. You ready? Yo.